So I just wanted to give you a quick demonstration of the digital reflective journal. I'm using this on a laptop using the GoodNotes annotation app, but you can use it on any digital device. My recommendation would probably be an iPad with a stylus and through GoodNotes annotation app. So just before we get started, I just want to point out that there is a how-to guide down here in the corner that you can use to refresh your memory as you go through using the digital reflective journal. And also there's an introduction that just goes through why reflection is so important, and as you know, you'll be doing reflective practice throughout the rest of your career, so learning how to do good reflective writing is really important. There's also some references for some further reading if you'd like it. Now, as you can see, there are quite a few reflective models that we use in the digital reflective journal, but I'm going to concentrate on the Gibbs model for the purpose of this demonstration. So first of all, we've got a summary of Gibbs model, which just shows you exactly how it's constructed. So you've got your description, feelings, evaluation, analysis, conclusion, and action plan, just so you can refresh your memory on what the Gibbs reflective model looks like. And then there is a reflective template where you can use those basis of the reflection, of the model, to start jotting down some notes based on an event that you'd like to reflect on. Now, these notes can be just really concise and quick. They don't have to be full sentences. They can just be words to trigger your memory of how the event went. Now, if you're using an annotation app, then you can start typing wherever you want to on this page. Now, you might want to be quite more descriptive than that. Your feelings, what went well, what didn't go well, what your analysis of this is, what else could you have done, what have you learnt, what you'd do next time, what you might be able to revise. Now, I recommend giving it the setting, the date, and I would reference it, as you'll see in a minute why. Now, if you want to create more of these templates, you can just duplicate the page here. That's why an annotation app is quite helpful. So now you use your reflective template to write up your reflection in full. And here again, you can reference it. So once you've done lots of these, you can still reference it back to your template. And again, you can duplicate this page as much as you want to. So after your full reflection, I would use your title of your reflection here and your reference and how many pages there is, just to keep a note on how many you're doing and the titles of them and where you can find all the other notes. Now, there's also a reference list. This is really important for when you might be writing up your reflections formally later, where you can keep a note of all the references that you're going to use, and also reference them back, like I said, to your original template and to your full reflection. Now, obviously there's lots of other models here that you can try that are all constructed very differently. And the idea of this reflective journal is that you can just try these different models and find out what works best for you. Now, I've also got some other reflective questions to consider when reflecting. So if you find that you've come to the end of your words, you can't really think what else to write about, these questions should just trigger some more content for your reflections. There's also at the back some note pages that you can just scribble some notes if you want to. And again, we've got the resources here. So I hope this is helpful. Please do feedback if there's anything else you'd like to see added into the digital reflective journal, and let me know how you find it. Thanks.